Welcome to Cross-Sell and Upsell, your go-to app for boosting sales. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the simple process of enabling our app. Once you've installed it, locate and click the Enable button. A new page will appear with all the necessary settings already configured for you. All that's left to do is click the Save button to confirm the changes. After saving the updates, head back to the main page. Refresh it, and you're ready to start using the app. Alternatively, on the same page, you can click the Manage App button to access our dashboard too. Simple, isn't it? For more detailed instructions on assigning cross-sells and understanding each cross-sell location, visit our YouTube channel for comprehensive tutorials. Let's get started with cross-sell.